We were talking a lot about timing and turning, and so what we did, we decided to count the 32 count pattern in eights. And we started with the sugar push and went 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, cut in 7, 8, and then 2 and 2, triple 3 and 4, and on 4 she changed back to her left foot. 5, 6, 7, and 8, 3 and 2, walk 3, 4 to 5, 6, 7 and 8, 4 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And just in case the first pattern the other way, went like this, went 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 2 and 2, triple 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 3 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 4 and 2, free spin 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So on the duck part. Okay, so the guy has his left hand up on top, his right hand down to the bottom, and when he comes out of this, he's going to go walk, walk, loop, connect. And when you connect, you catch the right finger into the armpit, and then you just turn, turn, turn for the lady, and trip over step.